Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the ABC-CLIO database. Now this one requires a password, and the password's username and password is Winchester and Winchester, because we're not real tricky about our passwords around here. Now you'll notice once you get logged in, it's actually 4 different databases. So we've got American history, we have World at War, we have World History Ancient and Medieval Eras, and then World History Modern Era. Now you'll probably notice over here, you'll see a little search box, and you can actually search all databases at the same time, or you can check off certain ones. Say you only want to search 2 at the same time. Now you can go down that road, but I wouldn't recommend it unless you have absolutely no idea which database is going to have the information you're looking for. Because what's going to happen is you might end up with way more information than you want, and it might make you a little crazy. So I would suggest trying to dial it down to the particular time period you're looking for. So I'm going to click right here on World History, Ancient and Medieval Eras. Now all 4 of the databases operate exactly the same way. So if I show you how to use one, you should be able to use all of them. So you get a main page here. That'll show you a few pictures and a few links to information. It's kind of like a splash page to draw you in. Now if you click up here where it says eras, when we go to this page, you might notice that it's a little bit like a textbook, the way they arrange this page. Everything is grouped by a region and a time period. So if you have a pretty good sense of what you're looking for, you can go in this way. Let's say we want to learn about the Kievan Rus. So you click on that, and it takes you to a page. There's an opening article that is very much like a summary. And then over here on the side, wherever you see a little downward facing arrow, that means there's more information. So if you scroll down, you'll notice that there'll be some articles about people, places, events, key events in that area and with that group of people. There are also media visuals. That's kind of interesting. So sometimes you'll get images. Tends to be images or old paintings, that type of thing. Now I'm going to scroll back up. And so that's what the eras section looks like. And it starts with prehistory. And in this particular database, it goes up to medieval times. The cutoff is about 1500 Common Era. So if you're looking for something after that, you want to be in the modern history database. Now I'm going to show you advanced search because this one is pretty handy. Now you'll notice at the top there's a quick search box. And I know that everybody in the Google era is very tempted to use the quick search. But I would encourage you to try the advanced search. And here's why. Let's say that I want to know more about the Mongols. If I don't select any limiters here, let's just see how many results I get. I get 202 results, and that's a lot. That's really kind of crazy making. And you can filter it over here, but I'm not seeing anything that's going to help me too much to narrow down. So watch what happens when I type in Mongols and then use some of these limiters that we have here. Central and East Asia, 500 to 1500. That sounds pretty good. And then, maybe East and Southeast Asia, Central Asia. I'll just limit it to Central and East Asia for now and see what I get. Okay, now I'm down to 93 results. That sounds a little bit better. And then I can look here at my results. Now let's go back. We'll go back a page and see what happens if we limit it by Russia, Central Asia, and the Caucasus. Now we're down to 27. So again, that gives you some sense of how you can very quickly limit your results and hopefully dial into the type of information you need. And real quickly, that's how you use ABC-CLIO.